Guys, so today I'm here at Pear Bronze Pot Porridge. It is a restaurant that serves exclusively chok, which is like a congee, boiled rice soup and all that, like comfort food. So, and also they have won the Michelin Bib Gourmand for their delicious dishes. So I'm super excited to go and try, and I hope you guys join me for this. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Let's go. So we finally have three dishes over here. So the first dish is congee. It's called congee, and it is a pork congee with egg bomb. Usually whenever you get congees, you usually have like eggs separated, but this is signature in this restaurant. The egg is mixed with the congee and it gives a different flavor. And over here we have a khao tom, which is a rice soup with oysters. So you can see there are like oysters as well.
Oh, very big.
Yeah, huge. So I'm really excited to try this. And for last we have a kwetiao pakai, which is stir-fried rice noodles with chicken.
Yes.
So, and this is the one that's on top. This is called patangko. It's like a deep-fried dough stick. So it goes very well with the congee and this dish. So I'm super excited to try the Michelin Bib Gourmand style congee. So I'm gonna dig in, take a bite of this. I'm gonna mix the whole thing. Okay. Wow. Really like hot, so I'm gonna take a bite. Wow, very flavorful. It's very like the texture is very silky. It's very smooth in your mouth. Wow, so good. The egg goes well with the ginger and the coriander leaves that's in it, along with spring onions. So, and the meat is also really soft. The pork meat is delicious. Wow. So now we're gonna try khao tom, which is the boiled rice soup with oyster. So I'm gonna take a bite. Wow,
Fresh.
very fresh. I don't get a very there's no seafood aftertaste. Normally when you have oysters you have an aftertaste. There's no aftertaste to it. Very aromatic with the herbs and everything. The rice is cooked really well. Wow. I want to try the soup. It's so delicious. Wow. Amazing. And then now I'm gonna have the rice noodles, stir-fried rice noodles with egg and chicken. So take a bite. Oh, I'm not getting. Take a bite. Wow. Amazing. well seasoned, well cooked. Everything that goes so well with each other. Oh wow, they're amazing. I think I'm gonna finish this in one bite. Wow.
Okay, I want to try some rice for with pork soup.
Alright.
Nice. And I will show you.
Oh, oysters.
It's a very big oyster.
Yeah, wow. Good?
Yeah, very fresh.
Very fresh.
And melt in my mouth.
Melt in your mouth. Right. It's really good.
Yes, very good. I like this.
Alright. Wanna try this?
Yes.
The congee?
Congee with sticky dough.
Yeah.
Very nice. Melt.
Yeah, very smooth.
Yes, and combined with ginger.
Yeah, really good, right?
Very good.
Yeah.
Recommend.
Okay guys, I just noticed we have a special tray of condiments as well to go along with the congee and the boiled rice. So we have chili powder, sugar, vinegar and black pepper powder. So you can add all that, and we also have this, which is soy sauce. So a lot of things. I'm gonna put a bit of chili powder. That's a lot. A bit of vinegar, I guess. Sugar, maybe? No, not sugar. And soy sauce. Okay. We also have a bit of black pepper, so I'm gonna try that. Okay. Normally, like congees are usually made at home. You know, like whenever you're sick or you're not feeling well, you usually have it like during that time. So, and especially joke, it's a very famous home like comfort food. People who are like not well, or you are probably having like a hangover or something, you can always take a cup or a bowl of joke and you'll feel immediately better. So I'm gonna mix it completely and take a bite with the patangko. So, okay. Wow. The condiments, like the vinegar, chili, it just adds a different kick to it. It's just delicious. I think this is the perfect, start of the day. Like, you're not feeling good, you're not feeling in the mood. Just have this and you feel instantly better. And my day is made, honestly. Instantly satisfied. Do you remember like having congee when you were young? Yeah.
Every morning before go to school.
That's nice. Very healthy too, no?
Yes.
Okay guys, so as I'm done with my dish, I'm going to tell you a bit about this restaurant. This restaurant has been running for around like 60 years, and it's like 2 generations have been actually running this restaurant. The owner's father and the owner himself right now. They have been like serving congee and like different like soul food, like which is high comfort food to the customers for so many years, and they're amazing. And just recently in 2021 they have won the Michelin Bib Gourmand, which is amazing. I think they deserve it. And yeah, I'll also tell you about the dishes. The dishes are actually made in a bronze pot, and it is said to be that, like, you know, whenever they cook it in that pot, it has a different aroma. It's a really good smell that comes out of it, and also it's like the congee or the food, it melts like better. So that's the whole story. That's the whole you know, magic behind these delicious dishes. And also behind me you can see there's like a lot of
History.
history, like a lot of articles, pictures, like a whole hall of fame of all the people who have tried, and, like, you know, celebrities and everybody. So this is really nice. Wow. I feel like a celebrity myself coming here and trying these delicious dishes. Okay guys, so we already had our wonderful dishes. I was so mesmerized by the taste. I got some more for myself. So it was a really good experience. It was delicious. I feel so much, like, you know, light and just, like, you know, just very playful right now. Just like very good mood right now. So I would definitely recommend you guys to come. To get here, you can always take the MRT Bangpo station. It is located in the mouth of Pracharat Soi 20. So it is very easy to get here. You can always take the MRT. And yeah, it's a very good restaurant. It has won Michelin Bib Gourmand, so obviously it's really good. And also it is very cheap. I think each of the dishes were around like 40 to 70 baht, so which is really cheap. And yeah, definitely recommend. Really good food. I feel amazing. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Bye.